that hurt me. Oh, that hurt. Oh dear, that hurt me. My foot's hurt. Oh, ow, my toe hurt. Oh, my toe. Toe. Ow. I've hurt my toe. Ow. Ow. Here's my toe. Ow. Yeah. Ooh. That's hurting. Oh. What are you doing there, Frank? He's hurt his toe. Are you talking about me? We'll be over here eating, Frank. Don't you worry. We were thinking about you. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you see what he did? He broke his toe. Yeah, love him. Oh, poor bud. He's always just wants attention, doesn't he? Always wants attention, that one. Always him. Always wants attention. Yeah, what are we going to do with him? We'll just surround him now, shall we? Yeah. Hurt your toe, Frank. You talk to me. That toe hurts. I'm telling you. Yeah, of course it does, Frank. Of course it does. You take the piss. You take the piss out of me, because I'll come and get you. Yeah, I will. Yeah, Frank. Yeah, we're just eating over here. You take the piss. I'm going to come and get you. You messing with me. If you're messing with me, I'll eat you up. Get out of here. I'm telling you. Yeah. We're okay. Yeah. We'll keep thinking about you, Frank. We'll keep thinking about you. Yeah. Ooh. That hurts, doesn't it? You're walking all right now, though, aren't you? Walking all right now. I'm going. Oh, man, this is a lovely sun apart from that damn dog barking all the time. I love the seeds. Seeds are lovely. Oh, I love the seeds. How you doing, Paddy? All right, Shane? Yeah, I'm fine, Paddy. What have you been up to? Nothing much. Just eating. Well, I was out last night. It was hot and wet. Really? Yeah, your mum was running me a burger. Now, that ain't funny. I'm telling you now, that ain't funny. I'll get my family on you. Telling you. Hey, Doug! Hey, I didn't mean it. I was only messing around. I'm telling you. Doug! Come again. Doug! Big brother's coming after you now. What are you doing that for? I didn't mean anything by it. I don't care. You don't talk about my mother that way. You talk about my mother. I'll get you. I wasn't. Talk about her again. I'll get you again. What'd you do that for? On the wings of a dove. Oh, is that a camera? Well, I'm trying to eat and I'm shy and I don't want to be on a camera. I mean, I know I'm photogenic, but I'm not being on the camera. I'm going. It's disgraceful. I don't want to be on the camera. Please don't put me on the camera because I'm eating. Still, I am quite pretty. And you are getting me at my best. Just try not to get my bum. I like every other part. You're filming my bum again. Please don't do. I told you. Now you can have me walking and getting one side of me. And then the other side of me. Then I can come walking towards you. And you can take my plumage. And see how tall I am. And I can even sing if you want. On the wings of a dove. What do you think? And we, if you want, we could even do the catwalk. I could come across the screen, and I could come towards you. And it would be brilliant. Look, I'll show you what I mean. Here we go. Da 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 ba da ba. Look how good I am. I could do really good. Here we go. Right. Bread. All that food. Oh, I just love bread. Oh, bread. What's that? What? Who's that, bud? I told you not to come here! This is mine! Don't come here anymore! Alright? My bread! Oh, lovely, lovely. Told you not to come here! My bread! My bread! Yum, yum, yum. Yep, yep. What was that? What? Oh shit, I'm taking this here.